Hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to cook ERU. ERU is a Cameroonian dish which is loved by everyone. I'm using dry ERU for this recipe. I don't have fresh ERU. If you don't have fresh ERU, you have dry ERU, it's still fine. First of all, I will remove it from the bag and put in a bowl. Then I will add water to it to soak it. You need to soak it first so that it will be soft before you cook it. You can soak it for at least 30 minutes or more. Make sure you submerge all the ERU inside the water. While the ERU is soaking, I'll go ahead and wash my water leaf. This is the water leaf that I'm washing. After washing it, remove it and put it in a strainer or a sieve so that it will drain. Later, I will slice it. Use a knife and slice it. Put it directly inside the pot that you will be using to cook the ERU. Continue slicing until all the water leaf gets finished. Put the water leaf on the stove and cook it. Add your pepper. I'm adding 2 pepper. Cover it and let it cook. Let it cook until all the water leaf gets soft. Open it and add your ERU. This is the ERU that I've already washed. Now I'm adding it into the water leaf. Cover it and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add your salt, Magi cubes, or any seasoning of your choice. Mix to combine. After mixing, I add my boiled meat, boiled fish, and kanda skin cow. Go ahead and add your oil. Now give it a gentle mix. Mix it very well for everything to combine. When everything has been well mixed, go ahead and add your crayfish. I added 1 more pepper for people who love spicy food. There's no one that can see ERU and refuse to eat. Everybody loves ERU. Are you craving for ERU? Don't worry, I got you covered. I have a pot of ERU here. Look at this goodness. Oh my God. At this point, the ERU is ready. I made fufu gari, and that's what I ate with. This ERU is so delicious. Everything is just perfect. Please do well to subscribe to my channel.